In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Zendesk Admin Center. Before we dive in, here's a quick overview. Automations in Zendesk are time-based rules that run in the background, typically about once an hour. They're perfect for tasks like sending reminders on aging tickets, escalating items that have been open too long, or adding tags after a set amount of time. With that in mind, let's get started. First, open your Zendesk account in your web browser and sign in. You'll land in your agent workspace or dashboard. From here, you're just a couple of clicks away from the settings you need. Next, open the product tray. This is the grid-style icon in your Zendesk interface that reveals all the available products and settings. Click Admin Center. Once you're in Admin Center, look to the left-hand navigation and choose Objects and Rules. Under that section, select Automations. This is where all your time-based rules live. Click Add Automation to create a new one. Now you'll define what the automation does. Start by giving it a clear name that describes its purpose, like Notify Requester after 48 hours with no reply. A good name makes it easy to maintain later. Add a short description so teammates understand the intent. Set your conditions next. You'll typically use time-based conditions such as hour since open, hour since pending, or hour since assigned. Combine these with ticket attributes to make the rule precise. For example, only for tickets in a certain group with a specific status or missing a recent update. Use the all and any condition blocks thoughtfully so you don't accidentally trigger on tickets you don't intend to affect. To avoid loops or repeated actions, consider adding a tag check, like only acting on tickets that do not have a specific tag, and then adding that tag as part of the action. Then choose your actions. Common actions include sending an email notification to the requester, alerting an assignee or group, changing priority, adding tags, or setting the ticket status. Keep your message templates clear, set expectations for the next steps, and include relevant variables like ticket ID or subject where appropriate. When you're satisfied, save the automation. You're done. From this point, your rule will run automatically on the schedule Zendesk uses for automations. For peace of mind, monitor a sample ticket's events to confirm the automation fired as expected and adjust conditions or actions if you need to fine-tune the behavior. With that, you've successfully created a Zendesk automation that keeps your workflow moving without manual effort.